Okay, so what does the smaller than symbol do? Append command to file, output commands, redirect input to a command. It both redirects input to a command and output commands. It redirects input to a command. What commands would sort the contents of the file greatest.txt and print them? That would be get greatest.txt sort. What command searches all files recursively? That's grep or Gambino. The echo command takes a string as and prints the string as stand in and then stand out. How would you pipe the results of one command to another? Command. What command outputs the string lamar to the file greatest.txt? Echo lamar to the file greatest.txt. Search the file greatest.txt for Earl, then send the results to the file oddfuture.txt. So grep Earl, then send the results to the file oddfuture.txt. Append the string asproc to the file greatest.txt. So the string is asproc to the file greatest.txt. What does the S stand for? Part of said S /option/Kanye. Substitute. The unique command removes duplicates. Only if they are adjacent. Okay, we're done. Next. No retake. Next, Papa. Atletica. Okay, so now print the working directory instructions Atletica. In this project, you'll use the commands you just learned to redirect files in Atletica sporting events directory. So print the working directory, which is pwd. Okay. So list all files and directories in long format, including hidden files. Okay, so Alice. Okay. Use cat to view contents of basketball.txt. Okay, I've got that. So use cat to view contents of hockey.txt. Got that. Redirect the standard output of basketball to txt in hockey.txt, then view the contents of hockey.txt. So cat redirect standard output of basketball.txt into hockey.txt. Into Papa. And view the contents. Okay, so now cat view the contents of hockey.txt. Okay, there you go. So now view the contents of lacrosse.txt. So cat across .txt. Oh, is it with a double S? Idiot. Ampara. There you go. Okay, so that's done. Append the contents of lacrosse. Append the contents of lacrosse.txt to tennis. Then view the contents of tennis.txt. Okay, so cat. We're gonna append the contents of lacrosse.txt to the contents of tennis, right? .txt. Okay. Then view the contents of tennis.txt. Okay, there's the contents. Then redirect contents of gymnastics. Let's just make sure we got everything here. Gymnastics.txt as standard input for the cat command. So redirect the contents of gymnastics.txt as standard input for the cat command. So gymnastics. So we're gonna take cat gymnastics.txt. Okay, there we got that. Alright, so pipe the standard output of cat lacrosse.txt to the word count command. Cat lacrosse.txt. To the word count command. Which is the WC word count. Okay, 127 and 159. Pipe the standard output of cat lacrosse.txt to the word count, which is WC, which is exactly what I did before. Okay, so now use the cat to view contents of equipment. .txt. Okay, so there's the contents of equipment.txt. Okay, so now sort the contents of equipment.txt in alphabetical order. So equip.txt. Let's just sort it. There you go. That's in alphabetical. So number 13, use unique commands to filter out adjacent duplicates. Lines in. Okay. Unique .txt. Okay, there everything's been filtered out. Use the grep commands to search for roster. So grep roster for players from Japan. So we're going to use the grep command to search for players from Japan. I'm going to compare roster.txt. Right. Use the grep command to search for string player in the current directory and output file names and lines to match the results. So that's going to be grep r player. So grep r player. There you go. So that's done. So use cat to view the contents of games.txt. Then you said to replace all instances of the word loss with win in games.txt. Okay, so said, did they say all instances to, you said to replace all instances of the word loss with win. So we're going to substitute loss with win. All instances, was including the G in games.txt. There you go. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so intro to environment. Right, so instructions. In the terminal, type nano hello.txt. Okay, in nano, at the top of the window, type hello. I am nano. Okay. So using the menu at the bottom of the terminal for reference, type in Control plus O. Okay. The keys are not case sensitive, so don't worry. Press Enter, then Control X. Okay. To exit nano. Finally, type cat hello.txt. Hello, I am nano. Okay, so let's move forward. Nano, nice job.